Hi, I'm Mark Cullen, coming to you from the garden shed, where I have a potting bench, and you might want one too. Here are the 5 essential tools that you need to succeed in your garden, starting with the potting bench. Make sure that your bench is really sturdy, a little bit lower than average because you're, of course, working on pots, which raises all of your work up just a little bit. I like the scoop best of all because it moves volume. Good quality scoops should last you 5 years to a lifetime. The containers that you plant in are important. I'll use plastic, of course, for seed starting trays, but as I pot up, I prefer to use clay because clay breathes. I like to use a good quality watering can. You're going to use a watering can anyway, so why not get a good quality one with a rose or a breaker that's solid brass and delivers water that's nice and soft, just like rain. And then, once you get to the job of potting, make sure you use a good quality potting mix. I use Pro Mix Premium Organic Vegetable and Herb, or Pro Mix Premium Potting Mix for general potting up. And you'll want to make sure that you use a good quality plant fertilizer. I use Pro Mix Organic Multi-Purpose Garden Fertilizer. You take good care of your potted plants, they'll take good care of you, and you'll have a successful garden.